everyone, this is Katie with DEK Designs, and today I'm going to be showing you our July mystery kit. We have 3 different kit options that you can choose from for the mystery kit. We have the standard kit, the journal kit, and the decorative kit. So I'm going to show you what those all look like. If you have not subscribed to our mystery kit subscription, I highly recommend doing so because the artwork is exclusive to the subscription, so you won't find it anywhere else in our shop. So I'm just going to jump on into this. So here is the standard mystery kit. First we have the bonus item, and all of the mystery kit types have this bonus item on it. So it is washi sticker paper, and we have some like ocean wave dividers up here. We have some watercolor swatches and some icons or deco, some foil deco like palm trees, some florals, and this is in rose gold foil. And then here's the first full page. So we have like this creamy orange color with tan and blue. That just looks so relaxing, just looking at it. It's very calming. We have a little porch swing, like a sticky note, says just breathe on it in foil, a really pretty flower, a summer outfit here. This looks like some coconut milk, coconut water. A journal, says escape right here. We have some florals, a beach bag with some goodies, and then like a little gazebo over here. Then we have our Monday through Sunday stickers and our washi tape. I love the washi tape here with the palm trees, and then the flowers are just so vibrant. And I love the colors, the colorway here. It's just like, you look at it and it's very calming. Next we have 2 other full boxes. We have this flamingo over here, some seagulls flying, and then a hammock swing between 2 palm trees. Monday through Sunday box. Over here some circles and layering pieces are date dots, heart date dots, weekend script, and then some foil, functional foil and deco again, like those palm leaves. I really love this border here. Then we have our flags, our 3 bow checklist boxes, and some dots down there. I think that the foil color looks really good with the orange and the brown. And we have some scallop dividers here. Bow dividers, and this does look a bit different from our past bows. It's a bit more detailed. We have some half scallop circles and then some thinner washi. Our functional page and our habit trackers in the middle there. I really wish I was on the beach right now. I'm gonna have to use this in my planner and just create my own little zen place. Headers and glitter headers. Then we have the fashion girl boxes. We have her on the beach with a few different outfits, reading. And then over here we have our icons and then script. So like urgent YouTube read. We have like a watering can, a plate, a sleep mask for tracking things. And the last page is the deco page. So we have a few of the fashion girls. Like I love the fishtail braid right there. This outfit is adorable too. And we have some journals, sunglasses, florals. So this is the standard mystery kit for July. Again, if you have not subscribed to our mystery kit, we do have spots open today for our next kit. So make sure to sign up while spots are still open. Now I'm going to show you the journal kit version of the mystery kit. Okay, so for the journal kit version, again, we have that bonus sheet. And then the first page, we have those boxes that we saw from earlier, except for they're not as wide, they're smaller. We have a Monday through Sunday habit tracker here, a couple of functional rectangular boxes. Then the Monday through Sunday in the washi, which is the same as the standard. And then here we have some torn page stickers, like torn edge stickers. We have like a scene on the beach with like the bed and then the ocean waves going up to the shore, and then some patterns here, half scallop circles, bow dividers, and glitter headers, and functional rectangular boxes. Then we have kind of like the decorative functional page, the foil. So we have our heart date dots, our weekend script, and then we have some like sticky notes, some banners, some headers, a couple of little decos and arrows that you can use. Very journalish style. Then we have the fashion girl boxes again and the deco. And it's it looks a little bit smaller to fit with the smaller size. The deco page that we saw from earlier, and then we have the big deco page that is exclusive to the journal kit because it is more like a journalish aspect. So we have that coconut water or the coconut milk. We have some journals with a sunglass on it. It's a cute little tote bag and sandals. So this is the journal kit. This works really well in a Hobonichi cousin planner, but also if you just have a smaller planner. Lastly, I'm going to show you the decorative kit. The decorative kit, again, it has that bonus washi sticker paper sheet. And then the rest of this is also on the washi paper, the washi sticker paper. So first we have the swatch boxes where the cut line, where it has like a torn edge kind of feel to it, look to it. We have that rose gold foil on it. And these scenes are what you saw from earlier with the little porch swing right here. We also have like a beach scene with like the goodies, the hat and all that. Then we have the second swatch page where we have this big swatch here with that like cabana kind of bed, and then a couple of the fashion girls, and then an overlay box right here. Next we have our borders. So the top are florals where it's hugging, and then straight edge at the bottom. And then down here we have like the palm tree on the beach, and it's also like scalloped at the top and straight edge at the bottom. Kind of see what that looks like. Then we have our first decorative page where we have the fashion girls and the florals. Next we have the second decorative page with some of those, you know, decos that we saw from earlier, the outfits, the florals, the sunglasses. This third decorative page is more florals. We have like a palm tree right here too, some palm leaves. Then we have the scripts and dates. So we have 2 weeks of Monday through Sundays, and then like 2 meals, errands, and then 2 months of date dots. And lastly, we have the terrible washi page, and we have that creamy orange background, and the foil is the palm trees, and you just go up from the top here. You go up from the top here, and you can tear it how you want it to look in your planner. So this is the decorative kit, and those are the 3 different kits. I recommend this if you like the feel of the washi sticker paper and you like your spreads to look more journalish or have a little bit more creative freedom and not having the straight edge boxes like the other 2 kits. Thank you so much for watching this mystery kit reveal for July. Again, spots are open now for the next mystery kit. I have the link below in the description, and you can choose from one of these options, whichever would work best with your like planning style. Thank you so much for supporting our shop. We appreciate you, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your month as always, and I'll see you again next time.